Hello guys, it's Adrian again, and for today, just to say, do you remember in my other videos, not on this camera, but in my other video, on my other channel, I said that I make uploads real fast. Well, I'm sorry because my tablet was dead and something went wrong with it, but now we fixed it and everything's okay. And for this episode, I'm going to be showing my cat, Billy. And, here he is. Right here. He's yellow, and, he's really sleepy. Yeah, but I noticed that, it's not really important, but he doesn't really like kisses. He has really sharp nails, and, his fur is real soft. And yeah, once again, he's very, very sleepy. But he's still cute. Here, let me zoom out so you can see him. Sorry if you have a small camera if you can't really see him that good. But I seen these cameras that it won't let you see all of it. I'll try to zoom out. And there he is. You see, he just yawned. Okay. He likes to be petted. He likes to be petted on the hands. And that's about like it for now. If you want to see more little cats, don't forget to subscribe to me. Or if I at least get 3 viewers on this, I will make another cat video. And let's see. Sorry. Okay, listen up. If I get 3 viewers, I'll make another cat video if I can, because I'm running out of cats to see. So if I get 3 viewers, I'll show a cat. And if I get 5 viewers, I'll make 3 new drawings. Okay. And I think one viewer will just be like a normal video. Well, oh, there he goes. So, I'll see you next time. Peace.